Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for Jibon Bima Corporation life insurance. First, research the various life insurance plans Jibon Bima offers to find one that suits your needs. Next, collect all required documents, including your national ID card, proof of income, and recent photographs. Finally, decide on the coverage amount and policy term before proceeding. This preparation ensures a smooth application. To elaborate on documents, ensure your national ID or passport is valid. For income proof, recent pay stubs or bank statements covering at least 3 months are usually sufficient. When choosing a policy, consider options like endowment plans for savings and protection or term life for pure coverage over a specific period. Each offers distinct benefits. Once your documents are ready, accurately fill out the Jibon Bima application form. Double-check all personal and financial details to avoid delays. Then, visit your nearest Jibon Bima branch to submit the completed form along with all supporting documents. Be prepared to pay your first premium payment to initiate the policy. After submission and payment, Jibon Bima will process your application. You will receive a confirmation and your official policy document, typically within a few weeks. It's wise to review your policy periodically, perhaps every 5 years, to ensure it still aligns with your life changes and financial goals. Remember, a well-chosen policy provides long-term security. Also, check the description for a link to a great book about money and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.